I'm getting ready for a party to celebrate the Queen, and take a look at this. I have made a golden carriage decoration, and I'm going to show you how to make one too. You'll need a paper plate, a pipe cleaner, some glue, some scissors, some gold or yellow paint, a paintbrush, a cup, some black card, and a pencil. So first things first, we need a paper plate like this. Look, it's pink on that side, but on this side, I've painted it gold. Now next, I'm going to use this black card because we need to make some wheels and also some windows. So I'm going to draw around this cup with a pencil, like this. And I'm going to do that 3 times, and then it will look like this. There we go. Look, I've got 3 circles there, and you can see on the last circle, we've got 2 lines like so. Then I'm going to use some scissors to cut out the circles, but ask a grown-up to help you with this because remember that scissors are sharp. Now, once you've cut out the circles, they'll look like this, and the last one, you'll have 4 pieces like so. There we go. And now we need to stick them on. So we'll pop one wheel here, another one there, and then we'll use 2 of these pieces like this for the windows. And then I can use some pipe cleaner. Look, I've made a little bow. It's like a little ribbon, and I can stick it on there. So once you've stuck them all down, it will look like this. What do you think? Hey, very nice. I think you should make one, and then maybe you can put it up somewhere on display so everyone can see it. I'm about to make some very special Jubilee bunting, and I'm going to show you how to make some too. First things first, I've got some white paper, and I'm going to draw around my hand with a pencil. Here we go, around my thumb, and then my first finger, and my middle finger. And then here we go, around my little finger to finish off. Now, once you've done that, you'll have something that looks a little bit like this. And then you need to cut out the hand shape. So ask a grown-up to help you with this because remember that scissors are sharp. So once you've done that, you will have a white hand shape that looks like this. Now, I've got some that I did earlier. I've got lots of white hand shapes, and I've also got some blue ones and some red ones as well because I've used a blue and red crayon. And now we can attach the hand shapes to some red ribbon. We've got red, white, blue, red, and now another white one. I'm going to attach it with a clothes peg, but you could use glue if you prefer. And once that's done, you'll be able to pick it up. Oh, here we go. And hopefully it will look something a little bit like this, although this one's twisted round. There we go. Hey, it looks great. Why don't you have a go too? I'm about to make a palace guard just like this, and I'm going to show you how to make one too. Okay, we're going to start with a cardboard tube like this, and you're going to paint it red. I've already done that here. Look, you can see that it's dried, and I've left a gap at the top. Now up next, I've got some black card and also some black tissue paper, and we're going to stick the black tissue paper to the black card. So I'm going to use some glue and pop some glue across the top like so. And then I'm going to roll up the tissue paper and stick it on, just like that. Okay, now I'm going to roll the tube. So you could ask a grown-up to help you with this. And insert it in the tube, like that, there we go. And I'm going to add a couple of eyes on the front. So I'm going to pop one here and another one just here, and then I'll turn it around so you can see. Here we go, and I will try and do a face upside down. Here we go. Smile and some eyebrows. And then I'm going to add a little yellow belt buckle as well. Just like this. Why don't you have a go at making your very own to celebrate the Jubilee?
Watch more on BBC iPlayer.